So, for a film like this, you would normally leave the UK, maybe fly to Spain or Eastern Europe, only because it's cheaper to shoot out there. A lot of people wouldn't think twice about stepping on a plane.
100% renewable energy charged, eco-friendly.
Then, on a remote location, you'd need some trailers for wardrobe and makeup, and an RV for catering. All of this would be plugged into whatever generator was cheapest, most likely a diesel one. Same goes for all the equipment. The cameras, the lights, monitors, projector. That's all got to be powered somehow. Powered for the full duration of the shoot.
This is a very untypical day at the office.